Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. So you can see this project. This is one of the best project having its own blockchain. So somehow I can say this is a gaming project. There are lots of companies, lots of games that developed in this blockchain. So now how to get the tokens for free? This project in the future will give you huge profit. Checking the website, checking the ecosystem, checking the games, everything, even about the NFT. So it means that in the future, the project will give you 10x to 100x profit. So now how to get it for free without any investment, without any purchasing. So inside this video, I will show you. Make sure watch this video, share this video with everyone, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about Pre-sale project, Pi network, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. So okay guys, you can see this is the website, Rcade network. Rcade network, the token or the symbol is Rcade. Rcade is the token or the coin of Rcade blockchain. So this platform having its own blockchain. Inside the blockchain, the developers can launch their gaming, can develop game in this platform, because this is all about the gaming. So you can see the trailer about, you can check somehow information about this project, and this is the ecosystem. You can check the technomics, you can check the blockchain, you can check the nodes, even about the gaming. War of Nova. One thing I should tell you, this is a gaming project. That's why just partnership, or I can say integrated, I can say even working with some other companies to develop a gaming inside the blockchain. So this is side question, and then we have marketplace, which is about the NFT collection, and then we have nodes, we have tokens. So things are coming in the future. Okay, so now how to get the token for free without any investment? So you can do it only with Bitget Launchpool. Bitget Launchpool. Inside the Launchpool, you can see a new token that is coming inside the Bitget. So before the listing, before the launching of the token inside the Bitget, so you can get it in the Launchpool for free. How you can do it? By staking your Bitget token, or even I can say by holding Bitget coin inside your wallet. So you will get the airdrop for free. Okay. So Rcade initial listing. This is the initial listing. So soon we will see exchange listing inside the Bitget. So in here with the Launchpool, you can get the token at the initial listing, and then once the token lists inside the exchange, of course you will get somehow profit, because you just get the token for free. There are 103 million airdrop. Total airdrops 103 million. So project duration is only 3 days. It starts in 2 hours 22 minutes. So it means that, so if you stake your Bitget coin, somehow we have from VIP 0 till VIP 7. The more you hold Bitget coin, the more you stake Bitget coin, the more you lock Bitget coin, you will get more airdrops. So this is the total airdrops, total locked. You can see 16.5 million already locked in the Launchpool to get this coin for free. So individual locking limit, which is 5,000. So VIP 50,000. So what I think from VIP 3, VIP 4 till VIP 7, 50,000, and then we have 30,000, and then we have somehow below that. So the more you lock in here, the more a token you will get, the more airdrop you will get. That's why we don't have time. So it is from 9 July to 12 July, only 3 days. So the Launchpool is going to start from 2 hours 21 minutes. So do not miss this project. If you have Bitget coin, simply log in here by putting inside your spot. Simply transfer in here, just lock your Bitget, so you should get the airdrop for free. You can check the website. Somehow the project will give you profit. So simply click on the log, and then further, of course, make sure to log into your account, and then make sure you have Bitget coin in order to do it. So add a Bitget coin. From here you can edit, from here you can log it. So this is all about the Rcade initial listing, or I can say the Rcade in the launch pool of the Bitget, where you can get it for free. So only the duration is 3 days, so make sure you don't have time, just log in here to get the airdrop for free. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. Smash the like button to all time high. You still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. So this video is end up in here. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.